There tend to be some downsides with traditional ways of applying eccentric overload. For example, with weight releasers, it can be difficult to set up and only applies eccentric overload to the first rep of each set. You could also use spotters to add and take away load during the set itself, but this requires additional people to help apply that stimulus. But using the Exerfly Motorized technology has a few advantages. First, it's easy to set up. All we have to do is program the motor to the boost that you want, and then start your set. It also applies eccentric overload to each and every rep of the set rather than just the first rep. An added bonus is that the eccentric overload is still relative to what you can put in concentrically, so it takes advantage of that user-defined resistance that flywheel training has. Finally, we can use this motorized technology across a wide range of exercises, as well as a wide range of loads, speeds, and levels of force. When you're ready to introduce the motor, we recommend that you start with a relatively low percentage boost, and take advantage of the fact that we can progress the eccentric boost by as little as 1% at a time. We're gonna have Joey demonstrate the difference between non-motorized and motorized flywheel sets. We're gonna start here with a non-motorized set. All right, go ahead, give it a spin. So during this set, whatever he puts in during the way up is gonna be returned to him in about a 1-to-1 ratio on the way back down. We're now gonna have Joey do a motorized flywheel set. The first thing we're gonna do is calibrate the device. This ensures that the motorized boost is applied at the right part of the range of motion. Joey, go ahead and stand upright. And calibrate. The next thing we're gonna do is disengage the emergency stop and set the percentage of motorized boost. Now that we've set the motorized boost to 10%, we're going to use the optional wind-up feature. This uses the motor to pull Joey gently into the starting position at the beginning of the set. All of this programming can be done directly in the app or on the console of your device. All right, the beeping is going to give Joey a countdown until the wind-up function engages. It's going to get faster and faster and then briefly pause right before. All right, stop at the bottom. When you're ready to stop a set, have the individual stop at the bottom of the movement and hit the emergency stop button to disengage the motor. If you want to learn more about the Exerfly Motorized technology, check out some of our other resources in the description below.